Welcome to JK Gears and Machinery. JK Gears is ISO 9001-2008 registered certified company. Based in Mumbai, India, since 1994. If you are looking for any used imported machine, get in touch with us.
In this video you will see internal bore grinder equipped with original Voumard 4 high-speed RPM spindle, which is available for sale. The machine details are: make, Voumard, model, 5S, type of machine, internal bore grinder equipped with original Voumard 4 high-speed RPM spindle, grinding diameter from 5 to 200 millimeters, grinding depth is 250 millimeters, swinging workpiece 340 to 360 millimeters, 4 high-speed original spindle made by Voumard. 1. 13,000 max RPM. 2. 16,000 max RPM. 3. 18,000 max RPM. 4. 22,000 max RPM.
Thank you for watching our video. You can visit our website, www.jkgears.com.